Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to show you how to stabilize a video in Adobe Premiere Pro, okay? So, we have a video here, and as you can see, it's very shaky. Let's just mute that. It's very shaky, okay? So what you want to do is head over into your effects panel, okay? If you don't have an effects panel, head up into Window, make sure effects is ticked. It'll either be here or down here on the left. So what you want to do is get into your effects panel, head on down to video effects, go all the way down to distort, scroll right down until you reach warp stabilizer. Just drag that little logo onto your video. It will take a little bit to load. I'm not sure why, but I guess it's quite a demanding thing for the project to do. But let's give that a couple of seconds just to load, and then let's look at how much smoother this is now. You see, the whole video is a lot smoother. Now, that's not all. You can also head up into Effects Controls, which again is in that window. Effect Controls, make sure that's ticked. Go on down to Warp Stabilizer. You can actually change how smooth you want it to be using this little slider here. So let's put it on 83%, see how smooth that is. Wait for it to stabilize. And much smoother. A little bit laggy, but a lot smoother. And that is literally it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good rest of your day.